there you go, guys. So we have this LCD screen, and this should have some value for sure. These usually go 50 to 100 depending on how badly someone might want it. This has some value. And we have more cables, more wires, all good for the wire pile. That's what's happening here. Now, we have this tray. If I was selling this a few years ago, this might have been somewhat valuable, but now it's just worth whatever the plastic might be. Side there's not much, nothing too interesting, just some metal and whatnot, nothing important. Then we have this is sometimes worth something. This little back door, put it on the side. We'll look on eBay, see if it's still worth something. See, now this guy here is also pretty valuable. And then when you go down here, you have this fuser, and you have the power supply. So after that, that's pretty much all that's valuable. I know the stuff in here is no good because this is what broke, so other than a few pieces of metal, some wire, and the board, that's all that's left. So that's for this part. I'm gonna scrap the other. Sorry everyone, I ran out of space on my camera. So like I was saying, other than a few pieces of metal, there's a small board in here, some wires. That's all that's left up here. Nothing too valuable because this is the stuff that actually broke. And that's not working. That made the printer useless.